Hey little artists! Today, we are going to draw a super cute little bird wearing a hat. Materials needed: a pencil, an eraser, a black pen for outlining, coloring materials, crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Are you ready? Grab your pencils, and let's start. First, let's draw a big round head and a fluffy body for our little bird. So easy, right? Now, let's add two big shiny eyes and a tiny beak in the center. Oh, it's looking adorable already. Time to draw some small wings on the sides. Flap, flap. Our bird is ready to fly. Next, we draw the legs. Two tiny legs with three little toes. So cute! Now, the most fun part, the hat. Draw a curved brim and a big oval on top. Add some flowers to make it stylish. Great job! Let's outline everything with a black pen and erase any extra pencil marks. Time to color. Use your favorite colors to bring your little bird to life. What color will your bird be? Wow! You did an amazing job. Don't forget to show your drawing to your friends and family. And if you loved drawing with me today, hit the like button and subscribe for more fun art. See you next time.